ask, can we wind up the class little early today, like by 3:45 or something? Actually, I'm in my hometown, so I need to reach somewhere after the class.
Yes, doable. So I will be explaining all the modules.
No issues, ma'am.
So after that, you can practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay. Just
Madam,
inform.
I'm not in a group of WhatsApp group, madam. I'm not getting the links. So which group I should join?
I'll be adding you in the group, Darshan, no worries.
Yeah, yeah, madam.
Just drop your number in the chat box.
Chat box. No, okay, madam. Okay.
My screen is visible, right, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Enable Visual Builder. Okay. Add a new module now.
Oh, sorry, it was already on my body. Okay. No module.
Below that, add a new row. Okay, perfect.
3, 2.
One, one, one. What was the last module? I
We
guess call
learned
to
call
action.
to action.
Okay. So let us click on this circle counter.
Circle.
So what is circle counter is, hope you can see it at the middle of the screen. How many
Yes.
percentage of happy customer you have or happy clients you have, that can be showcased here. So the title
Okay.
is happy or satisfied customers.
One second. Circle counter, right?
Yeah, on the left side you have title deleted.
Happy.
Happy or satisfied customer, whatever you like. Now make the percentage to 99 or 100. See, it has changed to 99%. Scroll down. You will get to see the satisfied customer text.
Correct.
Okay, so this is what circle counter is. Just to
What can
showcase,
I write for it? It shows number
uh,
of or percentage of happy customers.
yes, a way of building a trust factor.
Building trust factor. Okay,
Add the next
got it.
module.
Code.
Yes, click on code. So what is code is, it is an HTML code. You can just copy the code of a video or any map also we will find code. So you can just copy it and make paste it here, so the video will be added here. So why we are using code, it makes your website light. I don't need much space to for the storage. So when you want to add a one minute video or 10 minutes video or 1 hour video from your YouTube, what will happen, you a lot of storage places needed. Okay, so to avoid that, you can use this code, it is which is very lighter. Okay, how to add it? Let us go to YouTube. Open YouTube. Pick any video from your YouTube. If it might be your YouTube video or any other YouTube video. Select it.
This
Everything
video.
is shorts, Sharon. I want a video, horizontal video.
Okay, so I have to take some other video.
Yes.
Anything. Okay. Healing. Is this okay?
Yeah, select any horizontal video. Just click on that.
Copy link.
Click. This is also a short video. Add one, select one more from horizontal. Yeah, this one. Go
Got
back.
it.
Did you click on the advertisement?
Possible.
Select this. Secret cleaning mission. Yes, stay there. Pause it. Pause the video. Click on this share. Usually we will share the link. Now click on this share. Can you find that embed option before WhatsApp?
Hmm.
Click on that. So this is the code for that video. Copy the code. You find copy icon there. Go back to your WordPress. Paste it in this black color box. Just tick mark it. Scroll down. So the video is added here. Just save it and check it from your incognito window. It is added, but here it is not played. Save it. Control yes.
Done. Saved it.
So you can open your incognito window and check your page. Control Shift N.
Okay. Not able to open. Control Shift N. Okay.
Paste your URL.
Got it.
Yes. So this is the first method of adding the
Okay. Sorry.
video using the code. So let us work on the map. Just go back again to your WordPress. Add a new module. Again code. This time open a new tab and go to Google and click on your direction map.
Yes. Okay.
Share. Um, where is the code? Okay, click on the direction again. On the top, you find close this direction.
Direction.
Yes. On the left top, you have hamburger menu. Click on that. The three lines. Three lines. Share or embed map. Embed a map. Now copy the code and paste it there. So this is how you will add the code of your map.
Madam, we can have multiple locations also, na?
Multiple?
Locations of map.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
We have a multiple branches also, madam. So we can add those
Yes,
branches
you
map
can add it.
location
You can.
as kind of a module, two columns, that kind of module of add, na?
Yes, two column has to be added, and one for the heading should be this is for the Malleshwaram branch and that is for Jayanagar branch.
Okay, okay. So once they click this, directly it will go to Google Map only, na, madam, straight.
Yes, when they click on that, they will be directed to the Google Map.
Okay, okay, okay.
Shiron, add a new module, again code. This time open ChatGPT or Grok. Write a code for in a quotation, write your brand name, B2B marketing, best cleaning products or something in a quotation mark. So you have to write the text what you want to scroll. Like it should be scrolling from left to right. And what is the color you want? What is this color and font style you want? That has to be added. So it is
What shall
just
I write, ma'am? Write a code for?
B2B marketing, best cleaning products or whatever it is. It will be scrolling in your website.
Yes. B2B marketing, best
Cleaning products or
the
whatever you want to type.
best sellers, maybe, or
Okay.
shall I add something more? Or that's all.
Okay, close the quotation and write, make it in a scrolling text, left, moving left to right. Hit enter, you will get the code.
Ma'am, till the time it is creating,
Mhm.
what can I write in my notes for code?
So coding is just like the HTML code. Okay. So many people are using coding for developing their website. We are not using coding. We are not good at coding. If you know coding, you can go ahead and build a website using code. So for now, we have
Okay.
AI tools where you can generate the code and add it. So if you want something new which is not in WordPress, okay, for example, the blinking of text or scrolling, so these features are not in WordPress. What you will do, you will be generating a code using AI tools and you will add the code there. So all the features will
Okay.
be added in your WordPress.
Okay. Got it. No. What I meant was like the code, this thing, what we did
It's a
right now.
HTML code.
This, this for this, what can I write? It creates.
Copy the code
Okay. Copy code. In
from
bracket, I'll write
YouTube.
embedded.
Yeah, from YouTube
Okay.
map, and also generate your own code, and you can use it here
No.
just for designing purpose.
Oh, okay.
Is
For
it
the video
generated?
or map.
What happened?
One second. It's still happening.
Just reload. Okay, I got it.
No.
So copy the whole thing inside the box and paste it. Let us check how it is working.
Is it copied?
Yeah.
Oh, now it came.
Save it and check it from your incognito window.
Map also.
Is that scrolling? No, right?
Save has failed. I think I have to log in again.
Try it.
But how shall I save this?
Control
Before
yes.
log. No, it is not happening. Control S is. It's getting failed.
Try again. Okay, let
Failed.
us close it and do it again. Okay, now add one more module. Yes, yes.
Madam, can we generate a quotation generator, madam, using this code to put this?
Which one?
Actually, I need a quotation generator, madam, for my this thing. So,
That can be generated using coding. You have to give the exact prompt so that it will give you the
uh,
quotation thing, what you're looking for.
that
So
is
everything should be written in detail.
hmm, okay.
Try it once, and if you have any questions, let me know. Even
So
content
preview,
format,
where we can see the preview, madam.
grok.
Here is the preview.
Yes, just listen to
Okay,
her screen.
okay.
So this is how the grok will show you the preview. Now generate it in your, so whatever it is in your mind, just give it as a prompt and generate the code. It will show you the preview just like this.
Okay.
Add a new module. Add a new module, Shiram.
Code.
Next to code, we have done with coding. Just so what is comments is, don't click on that. So what is comments is whatever the comment you receive from your blogs. So I told you clearly before, that whenever you write a blog and publish it, people will comment on your blogs. So that kind of blog comments can be displayed here just for the showcasing. So you, if you receive any good feedback from your customer, that can be added here, that is comments. So next is contact form. Let us create a contact form for now. So what is contact form, any idea?
Like filling the customer details about the complete before what service is required.
Yes, so you can open a new tab and search for Inspire, Sharon. I will show you the example how what is contact form exactly. So this is a contact form. Left side also you will get to see call for a free demo, and they have given the mobile number, download free brochure. After filling this form, that is you, I want you want to fill your name, email ID, phone number and courses which you are looking for, and click on download. You will be able to download the brochure for free. So this is how the contact form looks like. So for us, when you want lead of your customer, you want the information from your customer, so that what happens, you can send the email marketing messages, you can call and convert them. So for that, you can create this contact form in your website. Just go back to your backend, sorry, front end. Yes, add this contact form. So what all the fields you want? By default, name, email ID, message is added. If you want to ask for the mobile phone number, just click on add new field. What is the field ID? The field ID and title should be the same. Type it as phone number. Copy the same and paste it in the title.
Done.
Click on the field option, input field. Okay. So click on that input field, drop down and make it as so just listen to this. I will explain you what is input field. Input field is people have to type it. Okay. So that is input field. For example, name that they have to type it. We cannot give any options for that. So that is input field, and phone number, it is an input field. And third one, second one, what we have is email field. Why it is email field? When people is not giving at symbol and dot in or sorry dot gmail.com or yahoo.com, it will not accept it. So it should be in a proper way. At symbol should be there in the email id, so that time you can use this email field. And third one, what we have is text area. For messages you can use text area, because a space will be little more and people can type whatever they want to give the feedback, or whatever the product they're looking for, they can just type it in the text area. And next is
Ma'am, text area. Text area. What is that?
message box. So just go back once. On the left you have back icon, on the top before, yes, go back again. Click on this message setting icon, message setting icon, setting icon. See, it is text area. Click on the field option,
Field
field
option.
option. Yes. See, it is text area. Why? Just scroll down and check the preview. Scroll down. In the middle of the screen, you're seeing the contact form next to B2B marketing best. Yes.
The
A
extra
large
space.
place will be given to type your messages. That is text area.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Okay. And the next option is check boxes. What is check boxes? You can give multiple options. For example, where are you from? So the location can be given as any three option, three to four options can be given so that people can select one from the check box. Check box means a box will be there. You have to tick inside the box. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
And the next thing what we have is radio buttons. A small circle will be there. People can select it. A dot will be selected. Have you ever seen this? Similar to checkbox, a radio button is little different. A circle will be there. It will be a dot inside that. Or else just click on that.
Okay.
Let me explain you what is radio button. Yes, give some options. So, what
Seems
product are
like
you looking for? It might be a mop, and what is the broom, and what is the things you have?
I have to type all
Yes,
that. What product I will.
yeah.
Done.
Add a new box.
Shall I? No.
So you have added the option question in the option box. Let it be. Just finish it. Just we can see the preview there. On the bottom, can you find phone number? Phone number is the title in the middle of your screen. So radio button is just like that. Tick mark it, Shiron. Tick mark. So here you see
Ah.
you can select it inside this. Okay. Drop down is just like a drop down will be open and they can see the options from there. It is not that you have to use all of the things, just use whichever you want, any one, either a checkbox. And in contact form, don't ask too much of question and answers because people are very lazy to fill the form. The major
Correct.
things what you are looking for: name, phone number, email ID, and also any one additional information like which courses are you looking for, which product you are interested in. Any one additional questions can be added with the checkbox or a radio button option.
Okay.
Okay, now I want you to create a proper contact form and let me know. Meanwhile, Darshan can also work on this contact form.
Yeah, yeah, madam. I'll work on madam.
Submit as in when the person will download what it will show is submit.
Download or something.
Download it. Done. Download it or done.
Okay, download. And next is the email. Click on the email and for in which email ID you want to collect the information. So you can add your email ID so that these details will be uh, mailed you. So it will be mailed to your mail ID.
Yeah, madam. Kindly add me in the group, madam, so that I need previous videos. Is it available, madam?
Sure, sure.